ആ ആ
Hello children, today we are going to discuss about 4th standard, the exercise part of 4th standard, 4th chapter, Water Resources of India. Let's start children. Let's start from checkpoint. There are fill in the blanks. There are 4 fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Approximately dash percent of the total water on the earth is present in seas and oceans, 70%. Groundwater is a source of dash water. Groundwater is a source of fresh water. Question number 3. Dash is the longest dam in India. Hirakud Dam is the longest dam in India. 4th question. India's largest canal is the dash. India's largest canal is the Indira Gandhi Canal. This Indira Gandhi Canal, regarding Indira Gandhi Canal or about Indira Gandhi Canal, we have already studied in the previous lesson, the Western Desert. Are you remember? In the first sem, the Western Desert, we have already learnt and we have already discussed. Is it groundwater? That is nothing but we can give the example of groundwater well. Is it? Next, main question A, fill in the blanks. Dash are the biggest source of water on the earth. There are options: rivers, lakes and oceans. Which are those? Oceans are the biggest source of water on the earth. Second question, in cities, water reaches the houses through hand pumps, wells, taps. Third question, a dash is not a source of fresh water. Not. Try to understand the question. Don't get confused. A dash is not a source of fresh water. River, lake, stream. Stream is not a source of fresh water. 4th question. The Hirakud Dam is in the state of Arunachal Pradesh, Odisha, Haryana. Odisha. 5th question. In India, at least dash percent of the total population is involved in industries, 10%. Main question B. State whether these statements are true. If this statement is true, you should write it in the bracket T. If the statement is false, you should write it in the bracket F. First question. Tank irrigation generates electricity. Is it correct, children? No. False. Second question. Irrigation is an artificial process. Exactly. Third question. Multi-purpose projects are built on rivers. Exactly true. We must overuse water. False. We should save water. 5th question. Dams are a part of canal irrigation. Exactly true. The main question C. Answer these questions. Question number 1. Why is water important for life? Water is important for life because water is air, water and food. These are the basic things for everybody. Are you agree? Water is important for life. Why? Because all living things need water to survive. Water is used for various purposes such as drinking, cooking, bathing, washing, cleaning and irrigation. Second question. Mention 3 uses of water. Water is used for various purposes. Example, drinking, cooking, bathing, washing, cleaning and irrigation. Third question. Write 2 uses of dams. Just edit the question. Correct the question. Write the uses of dams. Dams are used to store water and prevent floods. Question number 4. What is rainwater harvesting? Rainwater harvesting is a process in which rainwater is collected, stored and used for various domestic purposes. Fifth question. What is a canal? How is it useful? Some of the water from the dams is artificially diverted towards fields. This is done by building waterways called canals. I'll repeat it once. Some of the water from the dams is artificially diverted towards fields. This is done by building waterways called canals. The water that is stored in dams is also carried to other places through canals. Next question. Seawater cannot be used directly. Why? Seawater cannot be used directly because it is saline. Seventh question. What are the main sources of fresh water? River and lakes are the main sources of fresh water. Eighth question. Which rivers contribute most of their water to southern states? Rivers such as Tapi, Narmada, Krishna, Kaveri drain the southern states of India. Ninth question. In what ways can water be used domestically? Water is extremely important for human beings. We cannot survive without water. We use water for a number of domestic purposes, including cooking, washing, bathing, cleaning, gardening and sanitation. Next, in what ways can water be used domestically? That is over. What is a tube well? What is a tube well? A tube well can be used in an area where groundwater is not easily available. It can draw out water from very deep inside the earth. This is done using an electric or mechanical pump. What are the benefits of irrigation? Benefits of irrigation. Point number 1. Farmers do not have to depend on the availability of rainwater. The quantity of crops grown can be estimated. The area of cultivation increases. Fields can be watered even during the dry months. What is a multi-purpose river valley project? Explain the with example. A multi-purpose river valley project is built around river. A dam is a part of multi-purpose project. It is a huge structure designed to serve various purposes such as supply of water for irrigation, generation of hydroelectricity, prevention of floods and storage of water. Give reason or think and answer. Question number 1. Stepping into swimming pool or the sea without swimming glasses will make your eyes burn. Can you tell why? It happens in a swimming pool and it does not happen in a river, pond or a lake. Our eyes burn in a swimming pool because the water is chlorinated. Second point or second reason, our eyes do not burn in rivers and lakes because they are fresh sources of water. Exactly. Second question, there are many multi-purpose river valley projects that have been undertaken in Rajasthan. Why are artificial irrigation facilities so important in this state, children? States such as Rajasthan require artificial irrigation methods as they receive scanty rainfall or little rainfall. Is it, children? Thank you.